Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. You can also visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2014 Explorer Sport in black with black leather interior, seating for 7, 4 doors and a hatch, and this also has a DVD player as well as a backup camera. It's a 3.5 liter V6 engine, and it's an all-wheel drive with an EcoBoost engine. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. There's also power folding mirrors and memory for 3 drivers. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here, and the lift gate release is here. You have power tilt and telescoping steering wheel, as well as power pedals. On the face of the steering wheel, you have your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, as well as hands-free dialing. When you start up the vehicle, you put your foot on the brake, key in the pocket, and we push the engine start-stop button. You'll also notice on your steering wheel you have paddle shifters. There's one on the left and on the right. There's 2 menus that will appear on the dash, and we're going to go through the left one first. We'll toggle through. So display mode, trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, driver assist, settings, and these all have submenus. And on the right, we can toggle through entertainment, compass, phone, and you notice they change color. In the center, we have a display screen that's a touch screen. Top right is information, bottom right is climate. You're seeing heated and cooled seats for both driver and passenger. The left-hand side at the bottom has entertainment and the top has phone. And our entertainment choices are AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, USB, as well as Bluetooth, SD card, and line in, auxiliary line in. And then you can go back home and touch on whatever else you want. You also have a backup camera, so when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see it. I'm just going to put it back into gear there. And then down below, you have front and rear defrost. There's your heated and cooled seats for both driver and passenger. So you can do it on the screen, and you can also do it on this location. The fans in the center, AC and max AC, and there's your volume and tuner. Down below, SD card, and then you're seeing as well your auxiliary line in. And it's a little bit dark in there. You also have a little bit of storage that you can put items, and then you can close it up if you don't want to have that open. You have an automatic shifter, and then in the center you have terrain management as well. In the very middle button is hill descent. So we can dial through this and it'll appear on your dash. And so you're going to see it to the left there, mud rut, and then it'll sand mode, snow gravel, and then back around to normal. Your armrest opens up, and inside you've got a 12 volt and lots of room. And with your cup holders, you're seeing that ambient lighting, those rings that are around. You've also got a locking glove compartment, and up above an auto dimming rear view mirror. There's your universal garage door opener, lighting controls, as well as sunglass holder. And you've got a dual panel moonroof, so you can actually push the button and it'll slide it right open. It's power operated. And there's a grab handle in the body, and that just makes it easier to get in. 20-inch wheels, chrome door handle with intelligent access, meaning on the fobs in close proximity you can lock and unlock the doors. You also have keyless entry keypad. In the back there's a little bit of a spoiler and a windshield wiper, and your backup camera is located just below the Explorer badge. You also have dual exhaust and backup sensors on your bumper. When you're ready to open up the tailgate, you can do so from inside, or you can double click your fob. It powers it open for you, and in the back I've got one of the seats down and the other one up, and they're just numbered 1, 2, 3. It's very simple to follow the instructions. You've also got lights and tabs, and you're seeing cup holders and bins there for the passengers in the rear. And then when you're ready to close everything up, there's a handle to the right, or you can just push the button. And you can also double click your fob and it'll bring it down. It chimes for you to let you know that it's going down securely. You can then lock everything up, walk away, or you can jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob you have remote start, speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in this row with a 60-40 split. You just pull the tab for the headrest, it brings it down, and then pull the lever at the base, it'll bring the seat down. Pull it one more time and it pops it out of the way. You now have access to the 2 seats in the back. They're a 50-50 split, and you're seeing the bins off to the side and the cup holder there. And then when you're ready to bring it down, simply put your hand on the back, push down, flip up the seat, and flip up the headrest. There's an armrest in the center with a couple of cup holders and carpeted mats on the back of on the floor. On the back of the front seat, you have slim pockets, and in the headrests on both the driver and passenger front seats, you have DVD players, and you have auxiliary lines in, USB, and then the power controls. This also comes with a remote. In the center, you have your climate control, 12 volt, as well as a 110 outlet. In the body, there's a grab handle up above, hooks, lighting, and that panoramic view. Passenger side, capless, easy fuel gas filler, privacy glass in the back windows, roof rails, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.